The 2026 Scania R800 Luxury Motorhome represents the perfect fusion of commercial-grade truck engineering and world-class luxury living, creating a rolling palace for those who want to travel without ever compromising on comfort, performance, or prestige. Built upon Scania's legendary heavy-duty truck platform, the R800 takes the rugged reliability and sheer pulling power the brand is famous for and transforms it into an opulent mobile home with a presence that commands attention on every road it travels. From the moment you set eyes on it, the R800 radiates a sense of authority. The massive front grille with Scania's signature styling, aerodynamic contours, and LED matrix headlights give it a commanding and modern appearance. Every line of its bodywork feels carefully sculpted, not only for visual appeal but also to enhance fuel efficiency and road stability. The front sits high above the ground, ensuring exceptional visibility for the driver, while the integrated luxury coach body behind the cab flows seamlessly, giving it the appearance of a purpose-built luxury motor coach rather than a converted truck. The exterior is nothing short of breathtaking, with premium paint finishes in metallic tones, custom chrome detailing, and flush-fitted windows that contribute to a sleek, modern profile. High-end buyers can customize the paint scheme to match their personal style, with multi-tone metallics, pearlescent finishes, and even bespoke graphics available. Full-length motorized awnings extend from the sides, creating shaded outdoor living spaces at the touch of a button, and built-in LED strip lighting makes evenings outdoors magical. Multiple storage compartments are integrated into the lower panels, offering secure space for luggage, outdoor furniture, sports gear, or even a small motorcycle. The rear often features an automated garage section, allowing owners to store a luxury car, making the R800 an ideal choice for travelers who want to explore destinations without moving the entire motorhome. High-grade insulation, triple-glazed windows, and advanced climate control systems ensure that the R800 is suitable for year-round travel, from the icy roads of Scandinavia to the hot deserts of the Middle East. Climbing into the driver's cab reveals just how far Scania has evolved in terms of ergonomics, technology, and driving comfort. The cabin is designed for long-haul journeys, with fully adjustable air suspension seats finished in premium leather, memory settings, and heating and cooling functions. The dash is a perfect blend of functionality and sophistication, with a fully digital instrument cluster, customizable driving modes, and an infotainment system that integrates navigation, entertainment, and vehicle monitoring. Every control is positioned for intuitive use, while additional driver aids like lane assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree camera systems make maneuvering this massive motorhome surprisingly easy. Noise insulation between the cab and the living quarters ensures that while driving, engine sounds are minimal, creating a serene environment even on rough roads. Stepping from the cab into the living area is like entering a luxury apartment on wheels. The R800's interior is designed with meticulous attention to detail, blending high-end materials like real wood veneers, marble effect countertops, soft-touch leather upholstery, and ambient LED lighting to create a warm and inviting space. The layout is optimized for comfort and convenience, often starting with a spacious lounge area that features plush reclining sofas, a large flat-screen smart TV, and a high-end sound system. The panoramic side windows flood the space with natural light during the day, and at night, the layered lighting system allows you to create anything from a bright, functional workspace to a cozy, romantic atmosphere. The kitchen area is equipped to match high-end residential standards, with a full-sized refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, dishwasher, and deep sink. Generous counter space and smart storage solutions make meal preparation a pleasure, whether you're cooking for two or entertaining a group of guests. Moving further back, the R800 offers a true luxury bedroom suite rather than just a sleeping area. The master bedroom typically features a king-sized bed with a premium mattress, underbed storage, and built-in wardrobes finished in polished wood or high-gloss lacquer. A secondary entertainment system with a personal TV and audio setup allows for private relaxation. Large windows, sometimes paired with skylights, keep the space airy and bright. For guests or family members, additional sleeping arrangements can be integrated through convertible sofas or a separate guest room, depending on the chosen layout. The bathroom is another standout feature, rivaling the quality of those in boutique hotels. Expect a spacious walk-in shower with rainfall and handheld options, premium ceramic or stone look tiles, heated flooring, and even a backlit vanity mirror with built-in demister. High water storage capacity, combined with advanced filtration and heating systems, ensures that showering on the road feels no different from being at home. Technologically, the R800 leaves nothing to be desired. Smart home integration allows owners to control lighting, temperature, security cameras, and entertainment systems via a central touchscreen or even remotely through a smartphone app. Satellite internet ensures constant connectivity, while multiple USB-C and wireless charging stations are strategically placed throughout the interior. Energy independence is another highlight, with roof-mounted solar panels feeding into a large battery bank, complemented by an onboard generator for extended off-grid living. This combination means the R800 is as comfortable parked on a remote mountainside as it is plugged into a luxury RV resort. Performance-wise, the Scania R800 is a powerhouse. Under the hood lies a state-of-the-art diesel or hybrid-assisted powertrain, delivering immense torque for effortless cruising, even when towing additional loads. Advanced suspension systems, including air ride leveling, keep the ride smooth and stable, whether on highways or uneven rural roads. Despite its size, the R800's steering is precise, and braking performance is top-tier, with electronic stability control adding another layer of safety. Fuel efficiency is enhanced through aerodynamic design tweaks and intelligent power management systems, making it more economical to run than many would expect for a vehicle of its size. Safety has been given top priority, with features such as adaptive emergency braking, pedestrian detection, blind spot monitoring, and tire pressure monitoring ensuring peace of mind on every trip. The construction itself is robust, with reinforced framing, impact-resistant body panels, and weatherproof sealing that withstands harsh climates. For long-distance travelers, the sense of security that comes from knowing your motorhome is built on a professional-grade truck chassis is priceless. In essence, the 2026 Scania R800 Luxury Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a statement. It speaks to a lifestyle of freedom without sacrifice, adventure without discomfort, and travel without limits. It's designed for those who want the commanding driving position of a commercial truck, the interior elegance of a five-star hotel suite, and the technology of a smart home, all wrapped into one. Whether it's crossing continents, touring national parks, or simply enjoying extended stays in scenic locations, the R800 delivers an unmatched travel experience. Every journey becomes an event, every stop a destination, and every mile a reminder that you're moving through the world in one of the most refined and capable motorhomes ever built.